All right, check it out. 2025 Honda Civic Type R. We put limo tint in the back half using 3M ceramic IR. One shade lighter on the front doors, 15% ceramic IR. Complemented with the windshield with the ceramic IR, 35%. Check out this beautiful blue. Full 3M ceramic IR series. We also added this paint protection for these pillars, so they don't get those dull swirl marks. This area is protected. Let's take a look how it's going to look looking out of it. This is a limo tint back looking out of it. Front door is dark. Windshield medium. Nice look looking out of it. Beautiful blue. Sick ass rims. Let's go.